So this is the second part of the shadow video tutorial. I have again my 12 by 12 page and one of the journaling cards here. And the second one is, we do the same as in the video before. We duplicate here the layer. And also we go here and rasterize the layer underneath. And also we go here and select pixels over here. We're gonna turn that off the layer above and also fill it that we have a black square shape. Okay, so we have that here. And also we can go here for the Gaussian blur. We can turn that off, on, and then go to Gaussian blur. It's here, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we can go up to 4.5. Okay, so we have now, when we zoom in, we can see that we have a shadow just around. What we can do now, we press Command T and we twist only a few degrees, not much, really not much, a little bit. So this would be the first step. That's something you can leave it how it is, but you can now start to make it even better. So we go and turn the opacity a little bit down again to 70%. And then we need to press Command T. And on top in Photoshop, you can see when you press Command T, you get this little icon here on top. You can see this little grid with the arrows, okay? You can press on it. And then your shadow layer gets this grid. And these little handles here are the way you can change the layer. And as you can see, what you can do, you can move your shadow how you want. Okay. First of all, we grab the one on the corner here. We lift now that up. Okay, here's the one. The video. Sorry. Okay, going back here. We lift here this corner a little bit, not much. And then we pull down the middle. Okay? And as you can see, as soon as the middle is, the shadow is not visible anymore, it really, you have a real lifting effect here. And the same you can do here. And of course you can do that in any other corners. Okay? This is a way. Command Z. So we go back here. Do that again. I only want to show you some different ways. You can pull it a little bit on the left side. And of course there needs the shadow hidden on the right side. You can pull it down here. So you have here really totally different options. And as you can see now, the shadow is really too dark now. You can really go down here a lot. And if you really want to make it realistic, you can now go select the pixel on the card itself, create now a new layer. You have this selection and you create a new layer. Then you go to your brushes. I have always this soft round pressure opacity in my brushes in. So that's a really big one here. And you can go here and say 100 black and go down here with the opacity to around 20, and only really give it a soft brush here, only to darken a little bit the edges here, not much. Really, it's just a dash. And if you lose the selection, go back on the card, go select again the layer with the shadow you did, and you can do it again. And only, really, it's only a soft brush what you need. And this is it. So you have this corner here. Of course, you can also go onto the other side and brush here a little bit of the white to make it a little bit brighter. So you have this effect. And of course, you can still twist and turn on your shadow if it's too much, if it's too wide or too long or too whatever. So this is really something you need to get a feeling for that. So this is the version 2 I like to show you now here. Then we have the 3rd version, and this will be the next video. So we're gonna see us there. Bye!